Ever since Bitcoin burst onto the scene, the world of finance has been on a roller coaster ride. Banks, once seen as bastions of stability, are now facing competition from a new breed of financial institutions, crypto banks. One such player is bitwala, a European outfit that merges traditional banking with the world of cryptocurrency. But here's the question, can you actually invest in bitwala? The answer, like the world of crypto itself, is a little more nuanced than a simple yes or no. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of bitwala and explore the different ways you can potentially be a part of its journey. From Nuri to bitwala, a phoenix rising. Let's rewind a bit. Bitwala wasn't always bitwala. Previously known as Nuri, the company faced some challenges in 2022. However, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, bitwala emerged in September 2023 with a renewed focus and a strategic investment from the Blockchain Founders Fund. What makes bitwala different? So, what exactly is bitwala? It's a mobile app that functions as a crypto wallet and a bank account rolled into one. Here's the breakdown. Crypto management: buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and Ethereum with ease. Bitwala offers both custodial and self-custodial wallets, giving you control over your crypto assets. Traditional banking features: get a virtual IBAN for euro deposits and withdrawals, manage recurring payments, and even spend your crypto on the go with a Visa debit card. Focus on Europe: available in 29 European countries, bitwala caters specifically to the European market. Essentially, bitwala aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the exciting world of crypto. Now, can you invest? Not directly. But here's the catch. Here's where things get interesting. Currently, bitwala isn't offering public stock options or traditional investment opportunities. This means you can't directly buy shares in the company. However, there are still a couple of ways you can be a part of bitwala's growth story. Be an early adopter. This might sound simple, but by using bitwala services, you're contributing to their user base and overall growth. The more users they have, the more attractive bitwala becomes to potential future investors. Keep an eye on the future. Remember that phoenix rising from the ashes? Bitwala has shown a remarkable ability to adapt and evolve. There's a chance they might consider public investment opportunities in the future. Stay tuned to their official channels for any announcements. Investing in the crypto space indirectly. While directly investing in bitwala might not be an option right now, you can still get involved in the crypto banking sector. Invest in established crypto companies. Companies like Coinbase, a major cryptocurrency exchange, offer publicly traded stocks. Owning shares in these companies gives you exposure to the growth of the crypto space as a whole. Research crypto ETFs, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that focus on crypto assets are another way to get involved. These funds hold a basket of different cryptocurrencies, offering diversification and potentially lower risk. Remember, do your research. The world of crypto is exciting, but it's also volatile. Before investing in any crypto-related company or asset, do your thorough research. Understand the risks involved and only invest what you can afford to lose. The final word. While directly investing in bitwala might not be possible at the moment, there are ways to be a part of their journey in the broader crypto banking revolution. Remember, the crypto space is constantly evolving, so stay informed and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.